After trawling through endless comments on multiple social media platforms, it seems like a lot of people don't know how to wash their hands. That's fucked up and unacceptable. No messing about then, let's do it. Step 1. First, put your hands under running water. This can be warm or cold water. Step 2. Lather your hands by rubbing them together with soap. Lather the backs of your hands, between your fingers, and under your nails. Step 3. Rinse your hands now under hot running water, while still rubbing them together, and make sure your hands are completely free of soap. Do this for at least 20 seconds. Step 4. Dry your hands with a towel. And that's all there is to it. It's not rocket science, guys and girls, and everybody else. If you live in a part of the world where you have access to water and soap to clean your hands regularly, please make sure you're doing so. You can use antibacterial sanitizer whilst out and about, but hand washing still needs to be achieved when you get home. Stay safe, and remember, wash your fucking hands. Subscribe, let's all do our part.